Welcome back, and now news from sports. Dempo Group Chairman Shrinivas Dempo is quite happy that his desire to bring in a business model into the footballing affairs is falling in place. A stake in Dempo Sports Club for Bollywood superstar Shahrukh Khan can also power the five-time I-League champions into the elite circle of clubs at the Asian level. Shrinivas revealed this and a lot more in a detailed chat with Prudent Media.
Lately, we were very interested in finding that business model. So once you sell a stake, do you think that business model will come in place automatically?
Sure, I think we are hopeful about that, and that's one of the reasons that we are willing to give up some of our stake. And I personally believe that a person of the caliber of Mr. Shahrukh Khan, who is such an icon, could turn the game into, one is to make it more profitable and raise revenues so that we pump it back and make our team really capable of, reaching somewhere at the Asian League or the Asian Champions Trophy, or, maybe the AFC. Because we find that most of the Indian teams, they go to that level of I-League and then, you know what the results are. And so we need a lot of money to compete and to pursue India's dream to be somewhere in that World Cup tournament after 2020 or whatever. So, this is just a beginning, we feel, and you need massive capital. And unless there's a sustainable model, how will you break even, and how much money can one single entity pour so much?
So, and you are coming to AFC Champions League. You have purposely not submitted the papers because the AFF has also not been reciprocating.
Yes.
So, what is the overall emotion or sentiment of the other clubs?
We are, there are two things to it. One is, of course, the pressure on us that we have been I-League champions and then we should try and participate in all the top tournaments that are there. But at the same time, we were very hopeful that AIFF comes back with its counter proposal. When the Indian Professional Club Association was formed, AIFF had very clearly told us that by 20th of April, they will come back with a proposal. It's almost, we're nearing 20th of June and we don't have a proposal as yet. So, one way the heart says that, why leave this chance? And the mind says you need to be pragmatic. So what if we fulfill the criteria? AIFF has not fulfilled the criteria with AFC. So yesterday I had a meeting with Mr. Arman Kulaso and all. We decided to leave it at that and not submit the forms. Yesterday was the deadline. And now we'll leave it to AIFF to decide whether they want to still accept us or, Because if AFC is accepting AIFF without fulfilling the criteria, AIFF should place a similar sort of a request for us, saying that, why can't Dempos participate even? Because we are strong for making I-League a separate brand, I-League a separate entity with major participation from the I-League clubs. And I would like to be with the clubs in that regard.
So does Shahrukh Khan know that you people are in AFC?
Sure, he knows. Not that much.
Okay.
He's aware that we have won the I-League. And by virtue of that, he's aware that we can play in the AFC and the Champions League. He's also aware of the formation of the Indian Professional Football Clubs Association. So he's aware of the various ongoing issues.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Panji.
Second National Karate Do Championships has irked a good response from karatekas around the country. WSKF Chief Instructor in India, Satyajit Chaudhary, is happy with the participation of over 350 karatekas over the two-day nationals. Chief Instructor WSKF India Satyajit Chaudhary told Prudent Media Goa was deliberately chosen as the venue to boost the level of the sport in Goa and to formulate a strong Goan team. The second National Karate Do Championship has been organized by the Shotokan Karate Do Goa and is currently on at the Indoor Hall in Kampal.
Second National Karate Championship is being organized. It has been organized by Goa Shotokan Karate Do under the able leadership of Sensei Subhash Shirodkar, and other local instructors are also there, senior instructors who are helping us out. And we have got around 375 participants from different parts of the country. Participants are there from Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, UP, and obviously Goa is also there. So I hope it would be a good and exciting tournament. So we have different categories, starting from under 7 and below, above 21 years also. So some of the players I know very well, they have got medals in international championship also. So I think those categories will be very exciting, and the juniors who are taking part maybe for the first or second time, they will have a chance to take part along with those stalwarts. Some of them are already national champions, so at least, so our idea was to give an opportunity to the newcomers in competition, karate competition field, so that they can take part along with the experience and the champions. So that will motivate them to train harder and train in a proper way. So we would like to build a good Goa team. Goa is a small state compared to other states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. They are very advanced in karate. They are having top positions, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, then Madhya Pradesh. But our motto is to bring Goa karate up to that level. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 years more. But frankly speaking, I have seen excellent potential here. So we had organized one international championship also in the month of February. They got very good exposure. So our idea, and again we are planning to have another tournament in the month of November. So that at least 2 or 3 tournaments, if they get experience in these tournaments, then I am sure they will be able to perform excellent in national level.
Our reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Penekar from Kampal.
Don't worry if you have missed this news bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.